Hey guys, welcome to Easy Paintings by Ishita, where I upload 4 video tutorials a week. So today's painting is a 3D butterfly which I'll be doing in acrylics. This is a must try 10 minutes video guys. I'm telling you, I have been making butterflies, sold a lot many, and I was following the complicated route, and finally I cracked the easiest way to do it. Let me teach you how. So first, let's make a quick butterfly. I am doing it on my canvas. You can do it on your drawing book or whatever sheet you have. Make sure the body of the butterfly should be small. The feet need to be small. If you make it a little big, it will turn into a grasshopper rather than a butterfly. I have been there, done that, hence I'm telling you this. So make the body relatively very small and the wings really large. Make sure your sketching is perfect and then start with your colors. I'm using yellow and orange for the butterfly. You can use any color that you wish to. So I'm starting it with a bright yellow color. So guys, if you don't know about me, I'm an art teacher located at Manchester, Connecticut, US, and I have a lot of students that come to my home, and as I have so many butterfly paintings, they always tell me that we would like to learn the 3D version. So this painting is specially dedicated to all my kids who would want to create this, and to all the audience who are here to try and learn this. So I'll try to make it as easy as possible. So after the yellow color, I am using orange color to shade the top part. And did you see I did make the curves in between with the orange line. I changed my brush here to the liner brush because we want to have a very thin line to just make the borders, and later with a little thick brush we will be smudging the edges. And now making the body with the black color. These antennas need to be really thin. As you can see, one of the antennas is a little thick. So what I'll be doing later is I will be putting some white over it, 2 layers, cover it up, and then again do the antennas the right way. And right now I have taken a wet brush and I've taken a little of black and I'm just smudging the edges. If you are still getting a thick black color, do wet your brush again and then take a little of black only, and that will give you a wet on wet technique to smudge the edges. And now I'm correcting the antenna. I have just placed white over it once it was dry, and then after drying this up, I'll be applying the second layer of white and then the antenna again. So this is basically the correction part. And now I have mixed in some gray. Keep this gray towards white, so very light gray, and let's start making the shadows. And now I'm directly using some black and I'm making the actual shadow, which is the blackish. So basically we will be making two shades of shadows. One is the light version outside and one is the dark version inside. Just these two tricks will bring your butterfly to life. So just did the antennas again, just going over the legs, and we are almost done. Here I'm taking white and I made the eyes and a little design on the body and that little tail part. That's it. So wasn't this a very quick tutorial of like just a few minutes? So I'm just darkening the shadows once again, and that is all we need to do. Alright, so our painting for the day is ready. A quick 3D butterfly for you that you can make at home, and look at it. It looks beautiful on the walls. So I hope y'all loved today's easy peasy tutorial and would also try it. If you do try it, do share it with me on my social media accounts, which I have listed under the description. And I have over 50 videos already posted on my channel for beginner tutorials. Do check those out. So guys, do not forget to like this video if you like it, and comment under and share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Easy Paintings by Ishita. Have a lovely day guys. Bye bye.